IPL 2025 Lucknow Super Giants full and final squad. Number 1 David Miller batsman. Number 2 Aiden Markram batsman. Number 3 Himmat Singh batsman. Number 4 Matthew Bridges batsman. Number 5 Rishabh Pant wicket-keeper. Number 6 Aryan Jual wicket-keeper. Number 7 Nicholas Puran wicket-keeper. Number 8 Mitchell Marsh all-rounder. Number 9 Abdul Samad all-rounder. Number 10 Shahbaz Ahmed all-rounder. Number 11 Yuvraj Choudhary all-rounder. Number 12 Rajvardhan Hangarkar all-rounder. Number 13 Arshin Kulkarni all-rounder. Number 14 Aus Badoni all-rounder. Number 15 Avesh Khan bowler. Number 16 Akashdeep bowler. Number 17 M Siddharth bowler. Number 18 Digvesh Singh bowler. Number 19 Akash Singh bowler. Number 20 Samar Joseph bowler. Number 21 Prince Yadav bowler. Number 22 Mayank Yadav bowler. Number 23 Mohsin Khan bowler. Number 24 Ravi Bishnoi bowler. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.